Creating a safe lawn environment is essential for the well-being of your family, pets, and visitors. By taking a few simple precautions, you can prevent accidents and ensure your lawn is a secure space for everyone to enjoy. Here's a comprehensive guide to enhancing lawn safety, covering everything from equipment maintenance to natural pest control. 1. Maintain lawn equipment. Regular maintenance of lawn equipment is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring efficient operation. Mower maintenance. Sharpen blades. Dull mower blades can tear grass instead of cutting it cleanly, leading to unhealthy lawns and potential injuries from jagged blades. Check oil and fuel levels. Regularly, check and change the oil and ensure the mower has sufficient fuel. Using stale fuel can cause engine problems. Inspect for damage. Before each use, inspect the mower for any damaged parts or loose bolts. Repair or replace any faulty components immediately. B. Trimmer and edger safety use. Appropriate guards. Ensure all safety guards are in place to protect against flying debris. Wear safety gear. Always wear gloves, safety glasses, and sturdy shoes to protect yourself from potential injuries. 2. Proper use of chemicals. Lawn care often involves the use of fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides. Using these chemicals safely is crucial to prevent harm to humans, pets, and the environment. A. Follow instructions. Read labels carefully. Always read and follow the instructions on the label to ensure proper application and dosage. Use the right products. Choose products that are appropriate for your specific lawn needs and conditions. B. Safe storage. Keep out of reach. Store chemicals in a locked cabinet or shed, away from children and pets. Original containers. Keep chemicals in their original containers with labels intact to avoid confusion and ensure safe use. 3. Lawn design and landscaping. Thoughtful lawn design and landscaping can enhance safety and usability. Pathways and walkways. Clear and level paths. Ensure all pathways and walkways are clear of obstacles and level to prevent trips and falls. Lighting. Install adequate lighting along paths to improve visibility at night. Play areas. Soft surfaces. Use soft materials like mulch or rubber mats under play equipment to cushion falls. Secure equipment. Ensure all play equipment is securely anchored and regularly inspected for wear and tear. Pest control. Managing pests is essential for maintaining a healthy and safe lawn. However, it's important to use safe and non-toxic methods whenever possible. Natural pest control. Beneficial insects. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and predatory beetles to control harmful pests. Neem oil and soap sprays. Use natural remedies such as neem oil or insecticidal soap to manage pest populations without harming the environment. Safe use of pesticides. Target specific pests. Use pesticides only when necessary and target specific pests to minimize environmental impact. Apply correctly. Apply pesticides according to the label instructions and avoid overuse. Seasonal lawn care. Different seasons bring different challenges for lawn safety. Adapting your lawn care routine to the season can help prevent accidents and ensure a healthy lawn year-round. Spring and summer. Hydration. Water your lawn early in the morning to prevent fungal diseases and slippery surfaces. Weed control. Regularly remove weeds to prevent tripping hazards and improve lawn health. Fall and winter. Leaf removal. Keep the lawn clear of leaves to prevent mold growth in slippery conditions. Snow and ice management. Use sand or non-salt dicers on walkways and driveways to prevent slips and falls. Pet safety. Pets love playing on the lawn, but it's important to take steps to keep them safe. Pet-friendly plants. Avoid toxic plants. Remove or avoid planting any plants that are toxic to pets, such as lilies, azaleas, and daffodils. Pet-safe fertilizers. Choose pet-friendly fertilizers and avoid using any chemicals that could be harmful to your pets. Secure boundaries. Fencing. Ensure your yard is securely fenced to keep pets contained and safe from external dangers. Shade and water. Provide shaded areas and access to fresh water, especially during hot weather, to prevent heat stroke. Fire safety. Preventing fire hazards is essential for lawn safety, especially in areas prone to dry conditions and wildfires. Fire-resistant plants. Choose wisely. Plant fire-resistant shrubs and trees such as lavender and maple to reduce fire risk. Maintain vegetation. Regularly trim and remove dead or dry vegetation to minimize fire fuel. Safe storage. Store flammables properly. Store flammable materials like gasoline and propane away from the house and in appropriate containers. Clear debris. Keep gutters and the area around your home clear of leaves and debris to reduce fire hazards. Educate your family. Ensuring that everyone in your household is aware of lawn safety practices is crucial for preventing accidents. Safety rules. Set clear rules. Establish and enforce safety rules such as no running with sharp tools or machinery. First aid kit. Keep a first aid kit readily accessible in case of minor injuries. Supervision. Watch children. Always supervise young children when they are playing outside to prevent accidents. Pet monitoring. Keep an eye on pets to ensure they are safe and not damaging the lawn or ingesting harmful substances. Creating and maintaining a secure lawn environment requires ongoing attention and care. By implementing these safety tips, you can ensure that your lawn is a safe and enjoyable space for everyone. Regular maintenance of equipment, safe use of chemicals, thoughtful landscaping, effective pest control, seasonal adjustments, pet safety, fire prevention, and family education are all key components of a secure lawn environment. With these measures in place, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your lawn is a safe haven for all.